Hi, this is Jay Robbins with Robbins Real Estate Group, and today we're going to talk about open houses. A lot of our sellers ask us if we like to do open houses, and we tell them absolutely we do, and they want to know why. Well, we use an open house system that can help you sell your house for more money and faster. We advertise, first of all, to all of the other realtors out there. So we found that at our open houses, lots of buyers come to the open house who have a realtor, but their realtor isn't there. Their realtor may be unavailable. Their realtor may be not willing to come out and show the house. So this buyer can come out and see your house when we hold it open, and we've sold lots of houses that way. We also can advertise your house to everyone in the neighborhood. We can use mailers, we can use Facebook advertising, we can even call everyone in the neighborhood or knock on doors to let them know we are holding your house open and when. So we want to get as many people to know about it as possible. The other thing that we do at our open houses is we have a system to make sure you get feedback from the buyers. So we hand out a comment card at our open houses, and we want the buyers to tell us what they think about the house, and we will give that feedback to you. They will let you know what they think about the price. They'll let you know what they think about the condition. And then we invite them to write down any other comments they may have about the house. That way we can take that feedback, and if necessary, we can make adjustments so that we can help sell your house faster. Open houses are just one of the ways that we use at Robbins Real Estate Group to serve our clients by selling your home faster, selling it for more money. If you are thinking about selling your house, please do give us a call. You can reach me at 214-444-9014. There's a link on this video. You can contact me through the link, and I look forward to hearing from you.